Want this halftone shake that got me 130,000 views on TikTok? If you want to skip the tutorial, there's a CapCut template in the description. Alright, let's start the tutorial. Once you've got your clips, put your keyframes where I put mine. On the middle keyframe, zoom in by 160%. For the first graph, use cubic out, and for the second, use cubic in. This will be the same for every clip. Zoom in by 160% for the first and end keyframe. Repeat this for each and every clip. Now this is what it should look like. Now it's time for our shakes. Select the clip and go to animations and search swing bottom. Make the duration as long as the end of the second box. Do this for every clip. Go to effects and search .silkscreen. I'll copy what I do. You can change the colour setting to whatever you want. Now put two keyframes first and at end. And at the end keyframe, copy what I do. Repeat this for each and every clip. And just like that, you have made a trending halftone shake. That's the end of my first YouTube tutorial. Make sure to hit like and subscribe to see more.